Latifa, there might be times when you want to take content from one slide and move it to another slide. You can use a feature for copy and paste so you don't have to retype it.
Yes, we love to save time.
I'm going to add a new slide. And let's say that I want the list from slide 2 to also be on slide 3. So over here on the left, I'm going to click on my slide 2, and here's my list. If you select it, just like we selected to format it, and I do a right click, notice I have an option up here at the top that says copy. I'm going to click on copy. Now when I move to slide 3, I'm going to select the place that I want to copy the list to, which is inside this text box placeholder. I'm going to right click it. I'm going to click on that little clip art beside the word paste, and there it is.
Wow, it even copied over the formatting.
Yes. Now there's more than one way that you can copy and paste. I'm going to undo what I just did. There's a wonderful little technique that you can use in this button up here at the top left-hand side on our quick access toolbar. If I click that little arrow flipping to the left, that's going to undo what I just did. And I'm going to go back to my slide 2. I'm going to do the same thing, a copy and paste. Only this time I'm not going to use the right click. I'm going to select the text box placeholder, and I can also use a keyboard shortcut Control-C, as in copy. I'm going to go back to my slide 3, select the appropriate text box placeholder, and the keyboard shortcut to paste is a Control-V, as in Victor.
I love shortcuts.
A third way that you can copy and paste is to use your ribbon. I'm going to undo again. This time I'm not going to use this little undo button. I'm going to use a keyboard shortcut, and that is Control-Z, as in zebra. I'm going to go back to slide 2 with the appropriate text that I want to copy selected. On my ribbon at the top on my Home tab, I have a copy button. It's the one with the 2 little pieces of paper. I'm going to click my copy button, go back to my slide 3, select the appropriate text box placeholder, and then the big button on my ribbon at the top that says paste, if I click that once, that pastes the content. So 3 different ways to copy and paste. We can do right-click menu, or keyboard shortcuts, or using your ribbon up at the top.
Kat, you showed me how to undo something. What if I actually did it by mistake?
There is a redo button on your quick access toolbar at the top, the arrow pointing in the opposite direction. That is a redo if you happen to undo by mistake.
Oh, okay.
Now Control-Z was the keyboard shortcut to undo, but you can also do Control-Y, which is the keyboard shortcut to redo.
Okay. With the copy and paste, the undo and redo, this is going to save me a lot of time.
For sure.